As you can see, we have water dripping from this purifier faucet. In the next 3 minutes of this video, we will show you how to fix this dripping at home free of cost. First, turn off the power supply to the purifier so that water stops pumping to the faucet. Empty the reserve water collected in the purifier tank. Then rotate the control knob anti-clockwise direction to unscrew the valve from the faucet. Here is how the valve looks like. Pull the red color seal out and place the ceramic cartridge secured along with the valve aside. You will notice there is a spring fitted in the inner radius of this rubber seal. Due to repeated usage over time, the spring loses its tension, causing the dripping of water. To backfill this tension and fix the valve, we will add a rubber washer. And to do that, we just need 3 things, mostly available in every household: an old bicycle tire tube, a scissor, and a marker or a pen. Place the red rubber seal on the cycle tube and mark around the seal as shown. Now, with the help of a scissor, cut the tube on the marking to achieve a circular shape. Don't worry if you are not able to achieve an accurate circular cut. Now, fold the circular cut piece from the center to form a semicircle. Once again, fold it to form the shape of a cone. Now, easily cut it . And then unfold it for the rubber to take the shape of a washer. Now place the rubber washer above the white cartridge and install the red seal back to the valve securely by applying pressure all around the circumference. Install the valve by rotating it clockwise. Now is the time to test the results. Switch on the power supply to the purifier and allow the tank to refill for a few minutes. As you see, the faucet is now rectified and there is no water dripping. Hope this video has helped you rectify the dripping of your faucet. Please do share your comments and suggestions. Thank you.